14-inch. I just got this today, so it's a very special package. Been waiting for this for a while. This came out today, and alright guys, let me start all over again. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, thanks for joining in today. I'm super excited. I'll be talking to you guys about this special unboxing of MacBook Pro M3 Pro, and it's a 14-inch 18 gigabyte RAM and about 512 SSD. There's a special deal going on in Best Buy. I will put that into the link down below. Please go ahead and check it out. I've been waiting on this laptop for a while, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing, guys. Alright, so I've been using that MacBook for a while. I wanted to just upgrade to this MacBook Pro with the M Pro chip, and can't wait anymore. Alright, let's get this out of the way, and let's install the show, guys, right here. Alright, so before I unbox this is the 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 Pro chip. It's 18 gigabyte memory, 512 SSD. So, all right. And I got it from Best Buy. Like I said, there's a special deal going on in Best Buy right now, so I'm almost like $500 off. And I just went ahead and jumped on it. All right, here we go, guys. I got me in the space gray. So let me just see what we got inside first. So we have this cable, this charging cable that comes along with it. This is the magnetic charging cable. This is also in the space gray, as you can see, and USB-C. With that, we have this regular Apple MacBook Pro with a couple of stickers and another booklet. Oh, that's nothing in there. All right, so that's that. And the charger, obviously, definitely. This is 70-watt charger, so hopefully it does a pretty good job with it. All right, guys. So let's just put this on the side, and let's just go ahead and show you the star of the show, which is this MacBook Pro right here. So. Wow. Already picking up with the fingerprints on it, guys, the space gray. I read about that, but I got the 14-inch as I wanted to travel with it, and it's pretty thick actually. It's thicker than my other MacBook, and probably a little heavy as well. So, wow. I didn't have to turn it on either actually, so it just came on. Hello, it's already started. So here you go, guys. So once again, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. And again, like I said, I will be posting the link about this deal under my channel, so take a look at it, and